In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the Quick Access Toolbar, a feature that's been available in Microsoft Office to all Microsoft Office applications since version 2007. It's something that's not often used because people don't understand. First of all, it's kind of hidden on your screen and people are just not sure how to use it, but I find it very helpful once they know where it is and how to use it. So if you've never worked with the Quick Access Toolbar before, you will find it at the very top left-hand corner of your screen. And the good thing about it is that you can move it somewhere where it's a little bit more visible and a little bit more useful. So let's go ahead and move it. On your Quick Access Toolbar at the far right-hand corner, you'll see what looks like a little black drop-down arrow. If you click it, you'll have the option to select Show Below the Ribbon. So that's the first step. We need to move it. Here it is now below the ribbon. The next thing you do with the Quick Access Toolbar is you add commands that you use often. So that way the command is available no matter which tab you're clicked on the ribbon, and it just makes it really easy to get to it. To add a command, the first way you would do that is you can right click on the command. So I'm going to right click on bold. And the very first option you see is add to Quick Access Toolbar. So I'm going to do that. And so let's see, I happen to be on the page layout tab, but my bold command is still visible. Now that's all well and good, but what if there's a command that is not on your not on your ribbon, or you're not sure where it is? Well, there's another way to add something to your Quick Access Toolbar. If you right click any command and left click Customize Quick Access Toolbar, this takes you to the backstage where you can see all of the commands in whatever software application you happen to be dealing with, in this case Microsoft Excel. And so what you do is where it says choose commands from, click the drop down list and select all commands. And then that way you see all of your commands in alphabetical order. A command that I like to add to the Quick Access Toolbar, no matter which software application I happen to be in, is the Close All File command, because that just helps me quickly close all of my open files and it gives me a blank screen. So I started off by hitting the letter C after I changed commands, choose commands from to all commands. I hit the letter C and now I see Close All, and I simply double click it and it adds it to my Quick Access Toolbar. And that's as simple as that. Once I click OK, you see that the Close All button is showing up on my Quick Access Toolbar. So that is the Quick Access Toolbar. As I said, it's available in all Microsoft Office applications, and it's just a quick and easy way to add the commands you use most often so that they're visible at your fingertips.